Growing up, overachiever पिताजी की बेटी होना कितना ज्यादा प्रेशर था?
Tha is a wrong word. There are still certain things because I have a noose around my neck with the last name, with all my men in the family being actors. When the whole Me Too movement happened, when I saw that, I fell down crying.
And naval obsession does exist.
But it exists everywhere. Tell me one movie in the Hindi from 80s to now that doesn't show the navel. I do Botox on my nose.
Okay.
Bloody painful. I don't think I really found the ultimate ecstasy of what a woman can feel until I got a toy. All this 20-year-old listening will be appalled saying, how can you not wear a bra? I had given up on having children because we had tried, and at that point I thought, okay, God has chosen me to. So I went to my dad and said, my only option is surrogacy. Dads, again, as I told you, very traditional, conservative. We would have been said, wow, log kya kahenge? The same thing was giving a woman to change her life in India. As always, when India can't figure out something, they just ban it.
कितना भी कर लूं, पापा जितना बड़ी नहीं
Continuously told, you will be nothing. You are everything because of this.
There's
It was easier than to do Hollywood than to do Tollywood, bro. Truth be told.
Said nobody ever except here. देखिए, बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग हमारे मेल फेमिनिस्ट के रोस्टर को एक्सपैंड करें और एक दिग्गज कलाकार जो साउथ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री की हैं उनको लेके आए. आप लोग अगर हॉटरफ्लाई को फॉलो करते हो तो यू ऑलरेडी सीन द पीक इनटू हर वार्डरोब. शी इज मूव्ड सिटीज एट 40s एंड मुझे सबसे बेहतरीन बात ये लगती है कि ये जब तेलुगु बोलती है तब इनकी एक अमेरिकन एक्सेंट आ जाती है. सो अंदर आंध्र तेलंगाना వాళ్ళు చూస్తున్నారు మేము మీ I start thinking in
తెలంగాణ
Telugu
కూడా మాట్లాడతా మంచిగా మాట్లాడేదైనా వస్తే
Sudden
నా
గా
యాక్సెంట్ గురించి నా భాష గురించి ఏమైనా అంటేనా
suddenly Mohan Babu's daughters come out.
Mohan Babu's daughter only, no? I am. Last time I checked, I was his daughter only.
No, suddenly like the Gurram is coming out. That's great.
It'll come. It'll
great.
peep like that now once in a while.
ये अपने विलेनस कैरेक्टर के लिए साइमा अवार्ड जो कि हमारा फिल्म फेयर इक्विवेलेंट जाना जाएगा एंड मल्टीपल अवार्ड्स जीत चुकी है.
State award also.
State awards also.
2 state awards.
Yeah, no, I checked them out as soon as I came into your home.
I only brought the ones that have my name on it. Most of these award people, no, just give you the trophy, but they don't write your name on it.
तो ऐसी दिग्गज कलाकार को, लक्ष्मी मंचू जी को स्वागत है मेल फेमिनिस्ट पे. कैसी हैं आप?
I am amazing, thank you.
बट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जिंदगी में मैं बचपन कहाँ का पकड़ूं, क्योंकि देयर इज अ बिग चंक ऑफ मद्रास व्हिच इज चेन्नई नाउ, हैदराबाद, देयर इज आल्सो साउथ ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया,
Yeah, Los Angeles.
ओक्लाहोमा, लॉस एंजलिस, बहुत कुछ कर रही हैं आप. तो मेन बचपन किधर भी था आपका?
I was born and raised in Madras.
That's what?
हाँ, और उसके बाद 10th के बाद मैं गई हैदराबाद, 11th and 12th वहाँ की, और उसके बाद गई अमेरिका, अंडरग्रेड उधर की, मेजर्ड इन थिएटर, माइनर्ड इन एजुकेशन, ताकि मैं एक्टर नहीं बन पाई तो टीच तो कर सकती हूँ.
नो फॉर रियल, आपका ये बैकअप प्लान था
ये जी
टीचर बनने का?
जी, एक्टिंग टीचर बनने का, क्योंकि
ओह सो दैट्स कूल. यू वुड हैव बीन व्हाई डोंट यू डू दिस स्टिल?
मैं करती हूँ. आई मीन मैं जब प्रोड्यूस करती हूँ तब करती हूँ.
चेन्नई कितना सेफ था एक औरत के लिए ग्रोइंग अप, या आप बहुत प्रोटेक्टेड एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रो अप हो रही थी?
बहुत ही प्रोटेक्टेड एनवायरनमेंट अभी भी है. आई थिंक एनी गर्ल बोर्न इन इंडिया, तो कहीं से भी हो, वो बी केयरफुल का वो एक बुकलेट नहीं, एक बाइबल होता है. ये मत करो, वो मत करो, यहाँ मत जाओ, डोंट टॉक टू स्ट्रेंजर्स, डोंट स्टेप आउट ऑफ द हाउस, डोंट कम इन, डोंट गो आउट. तो बहुत ही होता है. मगर मद्रास में ऐसे नहीं था कि बी केयरफुल एज अ वुमन. आई गेस दे वर मोर लाइक डोंट स्टेप आउटसाइड, डोंट गो आउट विद स्ट्रेंजर्स.
आफ्टर अ सर्टेन टाइम और जस्ट like was there a in time out time sort of a thing?
Out time ही नहीं था, in time होने के लिए.
So you were like extremely protected.
Yeah. I don't know going to a friend's birthday party to cut a cake.
Sleepovers?
Hello. वो क्या आता है?
Hello.
या केक कटिंग के लिए नहीं गए तो स्लीप ओवर की बात बहुत दूर है.
तो फोमो नहीं होता था आपको?
बहुत. तो अभी तो बुलाने की बिल्ला चली जाती हूँ मैं कहीं पे.
You're like, hi Rakul, मैं गेट क्रैश कर इधर बर्थडे.
हाँ, वो तो the other day she got very upset.
Why?
Jackie or Rakul pulled me aside my birthday weekend and said, Rakul, you've changed a lot. I was like, मैं क्या किया? तब मैं बॉम्बे आती थी इससे पहले, मूव होने के पहले मैं रकुल के साथ ही रहती थी। तो एंड देन एवरी टाइम शी केम टू हैदराबाद, हमारे घर 1 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है। तो अभी मैं मूव होने के बाद, और उनको भी शादी हो गई, यू नो, सो आई फील लाइक मैरिज काइंड ऑफ डिस्टेंस यू। एंड विथ रकुल नाउ आई कंप्लेन, जो भी पूछो, I'll ask Jackie and tell you. Jackie's working tomorrow. Jackie, Abhi, she's just got married, no? So I'll keep quiet for another year. After that, I'll whack her. If Jackie can't do it, you can do it. What Jackie? Everything has to be with
But I have
Jackie.
to, as a married person, I don't know if I can disagree.
अरे यार, you don't cancel a whole group का plan
That's
because
true.
group तो था, Jackie हुआ attached group में,
तो
you
अगर वो
know?
नहीं अवेलेबल तो नहीं है, आप
नहीं
chill करें।
अवेलेबल, but then we are all such good friends. Jackie नहीं है तो हम नहीं जाएंगे, and you know, so we are very good like that. But sometimes it becomes like, अरे यार, let's go get that meal without Jackie.
But चेन्नई then बाहर की दुनिया कब एक्सप्लोर किया आपने? Was that in 11th and 12th in Hyderabad?
नहीं,
where you understood the peering
मैं
eye of
सिर्फ
men?
एक ही फिल्म देखी हूँ थिएटर में, क़यामत से क़यामत तक।
Oh.
No, क़यामत से क़यामत, sorry. I just say that because I love Amir. जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
Which is also Amir.
Yeah, I love Amir, in case you didn't realize.
Also a kilometer away.
I know, man. Okay. I went and told Kiran Rao the one time I met her, I don't like you. She's like, do I know you? So I went on the spiel how much I've loved Amir Khan, and I cried every time he got married. And she's like, you should meet him. I said, no, I heard he's very quiet and boring. I don't want to meet him. I love him for the characters he plays.
He's an amazing storyteller. Like, he won't stop.
Really?
Yeah.
No, they just told me, like, every time I'm like, you know, like, see, I'm drooling. They're like, no, don't do that. So my thing has been cut. So I just want to have that distance and just love him for the rest of my life.
क्या बात है. But अपने एक के अलावा और कोई पिक्चर नहीं देखी. But like, हमें ये समझना होता है कि रास्ते चलते जो औरतें untoward experience कर, वो कभी हुए आप?
10th grade में मेरा first time मैं जब experience हुई थी, again, very protected, superstars family, driver, bodyguard, मम्मी ऐसे ही स्कूल में ड्रॉप करते थे और पिकअप भी करते थे. ये कार पूलिंग ये वगैरह कुछ नहीं होते थे. तो एक बार हमको ये परमिशन मिला था कि स्कूल हमको हॉल टिकट लेने के लिए पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में लेके जाएगा. और तो हम we were very excited. मेरा एक्साइटमेंट वायलेशन, ये what is this ugly feeling हुआ था तब मैं 15 years की थी.
क्या
14.
हुआ था, if I may ask?
They pinch your butt, your waist.
And who are these people though?
Random people in the public transportation. You know, they'll touch you where
But you're a little child.
I don't know if they knew I was a little child.
स्कूल में जब हो रहा था, या अगर ये पब्लिक बस में आपको किसी ने पिंच किया तो आपने पलट के वार नहीं किया?
नहीं.
क्या किया फिर आप?
Move away. Don't get into a fight.
Did you share it with your girlfriends?
Of course.
And what did they say?
They said it happened to me too. I wasn't picked as the special girl for this to happen. ये सबके साथ होता है. If there is a girl who's ever been in a public transport and says she's never been touched inappropriately, she's lying.
Yeah.
She's lying.
We've done 150 episodes of this. I'm so sorry to cut you. I have not met a single woman. Maybe one girl, but she was really young. And I'm really grateful for that to even be the truth. But like, I hope she was not lying.
Yeah, I mean, she was really young and maybe somebody was there protecting her in those public transportations going.
No, she's never taken public transport. Also very privileged.
I just said that. If there is a woman who's ever taken a public transportation and says that she hasn't been touched inappropriately, she's lying. And 80% of India or 85% of India uses public transportation. You will not believe, Sid, I should not even be saying this smiling. When the whole Me Too movement happened, and I was a big part of
An advocate
bringing the change in our industry. So there was just like so many things, do's and don'ts. I was like, listen, we can't go to any production house with it. Let's make one flyer. जो flyer आया था where from the Women's Commission and all that we got. When I saw that, I fell down crying because every single thing of that has happened to me. Okay, and most of those things.
As a star yourself, as the daughter of a superstar yourself,
Yeah.
everything.
Every single thing has happened. But keep that aside as a daughter of a superstar, whatever.
Just a woman.
Just a woman. And sometimes people will want to come and mess with you when you're from a big family because you will not come out and say it. A lot happens. A theft happens in my house. I can't go out and say it. In the papers, it'll be Lakshmi Manchus. How you don't want to get out there in the public with negative. Chod yaar, let that 10, 15,000 go. You don't want to make whatever it is. That's how I've been raised. So be careful with your things, but if it goes out, you don't want to put your name out there unnecessarily.
Why are you scoffing that? सुन लो भाई, ये है सत्य इस बात का कि एक औरत के पास अगर वो आवाज है तो वो उठाएंगी. हम ये करते हैं, बताते हैं, बार बार पूछते हैं ताकि आप लोग गलती से उन लोगों तक पहुंचा दे जो ये करते हैं तो ये करना बंद हो. बट पहली बार लक्ष्मी जी किसी ने हमें ये बताया है कि अ वुमन ऑफ दैट टाइम, इवन आवर टाइम, मिलेनियल्स आल्सो, Pranjana had 45 slaps. I don't know how many slaps. He counts the slaps. Like Sonam keeps hitting him and he counts the slaps as a gesture of अब नहीं तो कभी. And कैट कॉलिंग और ये सब आप लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते थे कि हाँ ये नहीं हो रहा है तो फिर मेरे में कुछ गलती है क्या? दैट एज अ माइंडसेट इज
बिकॉज हमें कोई बताया नहीं कि ये गलत है. You know, even school boys used to do it, not because they are bad or anything. They didn't know any better.
या
हम जो पिक्चर में देखते हैं वही होता है ना. So half the heroes when they're आपका कैमरा एंगल कहाँ होता है, you're sexualizing that part. So I had to really separate myself from what I do to who I am, because I let go of a lot of work कि मैं ये नहीं करूँगी, ये नहीं करूँगी. ये नहीं है कि people will say लक्ष्मी ने ये नहीं किया तो चलो हम सब मिलके every month 1 रुपए भेजेंगे उनको. कोई करने वाले नहीं है. End of the day electricity bill में ही भरना पड़ता है.
हाँ जी हाँ आप ही करेंगी. तो कब ब्रिज क्रॉस किया आपने वो वाला कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ से अब मैं जो मर्जी आएगा करूंगी?
जब मैं अमेरिका गई थी, मैं ऐसी गई थी ना, मैं एक साउथ इंडियन हूँ. देयर आर डूज एंड डोंट्स. एक लड़की तो ऐसे बिहेव करेगी, ऐसे कपड़े पहनेगी, जोर से बात नहीं करेगी, दांत नहीं दिखना चाहिए जब हंसते हैं तो. बहुत था रे जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी. तो अमेरिका जाके वो लोग तो शॉर्ट्स पहन के स्कूल आ रहे थे, ट्यूब टॉप्स पहन के आ रहे थे. So a lot of things like that had happened and suddenly there was nobody telling me ये करो, ये नहीं कर सकते हो. फ्रीडम इतना है कि घर जाओ नहीं जाओ, क्लास को आओ नहीं आओ. अभी क्लास पे नहीं आए तो कॉल जाता था घर को. अभी लक्ष्मी नहीं आई स्कूल को, क्या हुआ? ये नहीं था कि घर से कॉल आते हैं कि शी इज नॉट कमिंग, यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी इन स्कूल, राइट? At least now I have to inform the school my daughter is not coming. The school would call just because they didn't want us to step outside. My dad, being the superstar, he would come and Moscow-fy every principal, every teacher, and he would show up in his whatever shoot outfit he was in.
Of course.
Now I know all this planning that my dad did. You know,
very clever.
Very clever. This I'll tell every woman, wherever you were born and raised. If you were born in Andhra, move to Tamil Nadu. If you were born, I wouldn't even say Tamil Nadu, move at least 2 states away, not very next door. Don't make it as easy as you. India is so big.
Yeah.
I tell you, that is the only way you learn about yourself. Going somewhere where you have never been, where your neural pathways open up to survival instincts, and then you realize, are you kind to a stranger? Are you mean to a stranger? Are you scared of a stranger? So
how do you navigate strange spaces, deal with strange folks?
You push boundaries, what you couldn't do to be able to do now.
Yeah.
So America gave me that freedom and the wings to really explore who I was.
सुन लो भाई, ये इतनी मस्त आर्टिकुलेट महिला आई हैं तो ये हम करते रहेंगे बीच में, क्योंकि ये फेमिनिज्म नहीं, ये आई थिंक जेंडर न्यूट्रल है. ये एडवाइस सब लोगों को फॉलो करना चाहिए. एनी जेंडर फोक्स, यू शुड जस्ट डू दिस. It changes.
मैं फेमिनिस्ट नहीं हूँ यार.
ये क्या बात होती है?
नहीं,
क्यों नहीं?
I am very happy. मैं फीमेल हूँ, आप मेल हो.
ओके.
मैं फेमिनिस्ट बोली तो मुझे आपका चेयर चाहिए टेबल पे.
बट हमें इक्वल है तो क्यों नहीं चाहिए हो सकता?
तो मुझे भी चेयर चाहिए, आपका नहीं.
हाँ जी हाँ.
आपका आप ले लो,
Thank you so much.
मुझे मेरा भी दे दो. ये नहीं है कि आप आगे बैठेंगे मैं पीछे बैठूंगी. इक्वल शेयर होगा ऐसे.
हाँ जी, सही बात है.
मुझे बॉयज बहुत पसंद है जी.
हाँ.
ऐसे don't think I don't like you men and go away from my life. No, I like you very much.
Yeah, I
It's
also
just
like
that-
my dudes
Yeah.
as my friends, and I also like my women in all forms. आपने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली जो उसको थोड़ा सा ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे. अनलर्निंग में आपने बोला, तो क्या लर्निंग थी और फिर क्या अनलर्निंग थी, ये बताओ. Did somebody tell you actually how to sit or not sit in life?
Yeah. So we were, don't put when you cross your leg, don't sit like this. Sit like this. Your thighs need to be wrapped around.
Because आप स्कर्ट पहन नहीं हो सकते हो इसलिए, या जस्ट
In jeans पहने तो भी.
ये क्या मतलब होता
तो
है?
मैं अभी बैठती हूँ ऐसे. अभी बोल मैं ऐसे नहीं कर सकती.
नहीं, आदमी बैठता है ऐसा तो क्या कुछ नहीं. मैन मतलब हम मैन स्प्रेड मारते ही है ना. तो दुनिया का मैन स्प्रेड मारते हैं लड़का लोग, तभी कुछ नहीं. हाँ जी, फिर और क्या क्या बताया था?
There are so many.
अच्छा, हंसने का या जोर का बोलने का आप बोली, तो वो क्या बोला जाता था?
तो अभी मैं थिएटर आर्टिस्ट हूँ. Imagine they are like your whisper needs to be heard at the end of the theater.
विस्पर तो क्या पेट से विस्पर करनी है?
So I had to really own my voice. I was very very shy growing up क्योंकि मेरा bass voice बहुत है. तो मैं कभी अभी भी मैं कहीं पे गई तो होटल पे रूम सर्विस ऑर्डर किया तो यस सर बोलते हैं वो लोग. I'm like सर नहीं हूँ, मैम हूँ. Now I do it with joy, but so I was like very insecure about my
कोई कुछ
voice.
बोला था क्या आपको या बोली हुई थी?
अभी भी, you know, but now I own my voice, and believe me not, before I got a talent agent, I got a voiceover agent in LA,
Hey.
ICM. So the things that you think are not good in you are the diamonds in your life. So,
Also, you do voiceovers in LA?
yes.
Hey, because
So-
we can enunciate so well, right, as Indians?
So my voice, even now, India में कहीं पे भी जाऊँ, where आंध्रा तेलंगाना, मैं मॉल जा सकती हूँ और कोई मुझे पहचानेगा नहीं. Until मैं मुंह खोल के how much is this बोली तो पूरा मॉल आ जाता है. This is Lakshmi Manchu.
कैसे ऐसे क्या है आपकी ऐसी
I
आवाजें?
don't
बताओ,
know. There
सुनाओ
were
यार
people
कुछ.
sitting next to me from Hyderabad day before yesterday. They came set. I nodded. I helped them with their bags. I did all of that. They didn't know who I was. They were an older couple and they wouldn't want to leave their bag. Isme ye hain. She came and helped them. Everything was over. Then I said, can I get a glass of water before takeoff? Fatak, I could see them. Lakshmama, they started, and so cute.
Hey.
I said, "Avunu Lakshmi," and then it was that, you know. She's like, "I'm coming here for the first time," and then full talking. She said, "You know, I didn't. I took a picture with your dad 15 years ago in an airport, and now I'm taking a picture with you." So they own you.
Yeah.
You know, they own
You're
you.
like family, now they've seen you grow up.
Of course.
Yeah.
But all that didn't happen. Same face only, no? All that
But
didn't
क्या है
happen.
ऐसा, क्या वॉइस ओवर करके बैठी हो आप और कितना कितना
Voiceover, it's not because of the voiceover. It's
It's just the
because of
voice.
my voice and the bass and I guess the
Now
way
you
I
own it.
announce. Now I own it.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Yeah.
आप ऐसा करती हैं, इस वजह से कितनी लड़कियों को प्रोत्साहन मिलता है. हम उसी कारण ये शो करते हैं. ग्रोइंग अप, ओवर अचीवर पिताजी की बेटी होना कितना ज्यादा प्रेशर था, और वाज देयर एनी प्रेशर एट ऑल?
था.
हाँ जी.
था is a wrong word.
है.
आप हैदराबाद से हो.
आप
तो
प्रोड्यूसर
आपको-
हैं खुद, आप खुद मल्टीपल अवार्ड विनर हैं, मल्टी नेशनैलिटी में परफॉर्म करती हैं, एंटरटेन करती हैं. ये कैसे बोल रही हो आप? अभी भी फुल्ली है? बिकॉज़ इज मोहन बाबू.
You
नमस्कार.
there's no taking patriarchy away from them. You know?
Yeah.
I used to be like before, I will show you, you're wrong, ये नहीं हो सकता है. But then why do you need to change somebody else? You need to figure out how to navigate through that. I understand you're not going to change, but this is not that is working for me. So I will change in what works for me, because what I'm saying is very easy, Sid. To navigate and say and create that separation and to have your own agency, that takes a lot of work on yourself. Lot of therapy, lot of healing, lot of different kinds of modules that are available, meditation,
सबसे
friendship.
फर्क 101 का उदाहरण अभी दे दिया है. फ्रेंडशिप, प्लीज गो ऑन. हाँ बोलें.
Yeah,
हाँ.
all of these, all of the above.
Please come back to hosting now, Lakshmi. Just do a podcast by yourself. You know that's still a podcast, right? You just put a
Really?
piece to camera and you mic yourself up and talk. and tell me what the journey is like, and I'll host it on Hot of Life. It's superb. I'm genuinely saying, मुझे कल्कि से बात करके लास्ट ऐसा मजा आया था.
Really?
हाँ जी. आप
I love
बहुत
that
सुंदर
girl.
बोलती हैं. अरे कल्कि नमस्कार.
She's everything that I want to grow up and be. And don't have the guts to. There are still certain things because I have a noose around my neck with the last name, with all my men in the family being actors. Every role I take is like, how will it land on them? This was me before. Will it affect their careers? You know, when you're...
But तब तक nepotism वाला debate आया भी नहीं था.
हाँ, but you know, it's an... Nobody in your house says, ऐसे मत करो. But you learn from the women in your house what are do's and don'ts, and you imbibe it to yourself कि ऐसे ही रहना है.
तो आपको बताया गया था कि आप ही खुद ऐसा रियलाइज कर रही थी, आप ही खुद जैपी हुई थी कि मैं कितना भी कर लूं पापा जितना बड़ी नहीं हो पाऊंगी टाइप्स. Was it like self-inflicted or were you being told?
Continuously told, you will be nothing. You are everything because of this. So I said, I love operating from nothingness. Then there is nowhere to go.
इसलिए Desperate Housewives की थी क्या? आपको पता है ना, there is
It
a whole
was
Reddit thread.
easier than to do Hollywood than to do Tollywood, bro. Truth be told.
Said nobody ever except here.
I'm telling you. Because there एक system होता है. You're auditioning, you get a call back, you have a producers, you have a thing. So there is a system. It's not like everybody's somebody's daughter there. You know, at least now. So navigating through all that and penetrating and getting a job is more flex than anything else.
Sex education कहाँ से मिला?
In my undergrad, they had one section, and I think they picked a really good teacher. After that class, I never wanted to have sex in my life ever.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, she was
Why
like,
you say good?
because she scared the crap out of us with all the diseases you can get, how boys are not this, how if they don't wash after they pee, like it's gross, how what is foreskin, what is circumcision, what is women if they don't wash up, what are the diseases, don't have multiple partners, but even with the one that you have, are you sure, what is protection? I said, by the time I understand all this, I just not good not to have only.
Yeah, might as well.
I put that aside.
Strain. No,
yeah,
so
yeah.
ये मैंने समझा है कि ये बड़ा होता है. अमेरिका में जो सिखाया जाता है उसमें ये इतना सिखा देते हैं कि they're more worried about STDs and everything else that you could possibly. Female pleasure. The question was that, if you're okay answering it all, because where were you understanding that from?
I had a boyfriend who I later married. It was a long distance relationship.
Really?
Yeah.
How long time?
I'd known him for 7 years before I married him. And that also he went and asked my dad's permission. I wasn't willing to get married.
Why?
I got fussed out. Because why?
You
I was
don't-
there in a place where marriage only ruins everything, which I was very true. Because, you know, you take each other for granted. In a that's what marriage does. I feel that you're there now. You need to, the same spark, excitement जो dating or living in में होते हैं, something about that marriage just like ruins it.
I've always felt live-in or marriage तो similar सही है नहीं?
वही तो वो दो bloody live-in. Why are you getting married?
अब तो कर भी सकते हैं. Supreme Court allows live-in folks just
Yeah.
generally.
So, but there was a lot of guilt attached to having pleasure.
There still is, no?
There still is.
Like you see your tone having wonder.
Yeah.
कि can I say how much? What do I say?
Yeah, there was a lot of guilt attached to it.
Why?
I don't think I really found the ultimate ecstasy of what a woman can feel until I got a toy.
So many women have told me that. In fact, Kalki was the first one who came and said, I will tell you which brands also.
Womanizer.
Oh, really? It's called Womanizer. क्या बात है? Of everything. Like,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, it changed my
I
life.
look at you, you're smiling like I've found Hot Wheels. It's like how you smile when you get a Barbie.
Yeah, I mean, because when your third eye, your head opens up and you're like, you're
See, that's what-
transported.
But that's exactly what I've been told orgasms could feel like.
That's
For
how
women.
I felt.
I'm
that
sure.
was the feeling of that until I didn't have that kind until I got the toy.
तो किसने introduce किया आपको toy से?
I have a lot of girlfriends who still gift me a lot of toys because of, you know, me living in India and being the mother and not having any pleasure. But it was my girlfriend's.
Hey,
Melanie Blair. There I said her name also.
hi Melanie, good job.
Yeah, she came home and showed me how to use it. All ये यहाँ जाना है, ये ऐसे करना है.
ये ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
ये ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. This is how you turn it off if it gets too much. So she came and broke it down because she knew I wasn't going to read the instruction card. So every time she comes and visits me in India, which is once in a couple of years, she brings me the new latest, greatest that there is.
Version upgraded.
Yeah.
Now there's AI in it. So as much as you like may use the thrust on it, it can increase or like decrease the kind
With
of.
the AI.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sid. I knew there was a meaning and a purpose for us meeting today.
And you can get this in China, in Shenzhen.
Really?
Full town is tech town, amma. Assal kudrin naku. And I know this because I have an internet connection and YouTube. Guys, last time I spoke about an underwire, Lakshmi ji, they told me painta रहेगा खुद. And I'm like, नहीं भाई, अगर आप अपनी महिला मित्रों के साथ या just अपनी main human के साथ भी lingerie shopping जाओगे तो आपके चक्षु खुलेंगे.
Yeah. Underwires are. It was a man who came up with that just to torture women, I'm sure. It couldn't have been a man who said, let's put a wire under your boob and lift it up.
No, but your breast could need the support.
You do. For a certain shape to look a certain way for the lift. ये नहीं है कि wire से हो यार. एक इतना metal से. There are so many different kinds in the world. A thicker sponge. Make it softer or more comfortable.
The design on your shoulder could.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm sure. Because they did make a fiber which also has nanotech where the sports bra moves as per your workout.
See, and then sports bras are so heavy and so thick. They're not like...
They're not sexy.
Now I've discovered pasties. So half the time I just wear them. I tell you, all this 20-year-old listening will be appalled saying, how can you not wear a bra? But babe, as you get older, I'm only speaking from the future. As you get older, you'll get more comfortable with your body and be like, I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need this. And then you will come to your own. I mean, right now in sari blouses, I don't see why a bra. I just wear my pasties.
But blouses तो हमेशा से ही allow करते थे. I always thought a lot of times women just wore the blouses and no bras underneath.
No.
They would?
They would.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Are you worried about menopause at all?
I'm hitting perimenopause right now.
What happens?
Hot flashes.
Hot flashes.
Random no sleep nights.
बिल्कुल नहीं
mood
सोती आप.
swings. Like it's as if somebody had given me 3 shots of espresso. At 2 in the morning, I'll be like this.
Sharp.
And there is no like left nostril breathing, magnesium, this, that. You have to do so much more. That's why I said that I'm working on something parallelly in this field and in this work, because suddenly you're like so happy in the morning, 2 hours later you want to kill yourself.
No.
I'm not kidding.
Is it like pre-PMS?
And I know it is called perimenopause.
No, is it like, is there a comparison the younger girls can draw? Is it like pre-PMS? Sometimes a week before you to start PMSing, some women say that they feel a bunch of
emotion. That is when you're going through puberty. We haven't really figured out puberty, and then a woman goes through perimenopause.
It's just like 20 years later, boom.
Yeah, but now even earlier, like it's starting as early as 35, because before in India, we used to have our parents, grandparents taking care of our children, but we've become such nuclear families right now. So for the woman, it's not really traditional for the woman to go out and work like we are now. So it's hitting at 35 because of the stress, the pressure to be a mother, to be a householder, to bring in half the money. People are, as young as 35 are hitting perimenopause. And I have itna research I've done to share.
Yeah, you
that
seem like
with
the
you.
kind. जब आप motherhood decide कर रही थी, how was that conversation like within the couple? And did you all try the natural way to give birth?
Of course, yeah, you do everything natural, make it as easy as possible, because if you're a celebrity, you only want to make things as easy as possible, not complicated. But when you don't have any other choice, that's what you do. I had given up on having children because we had tried, and at that point I thought, okay, God has chosen me to be a world traveler. All that money will go into me traveling. And then came Ariana and Viviana, my nieces. Something opened up inside me. Yeah. And then when their mom would say it's their sleep time, I would get angry at her.
How can you take away?
And then I was like, why am I getting angry at her? It's her kids.
Yeah.
And she has a way of raising them, and I should respect that. But it was becoming like I never fought with her, but it was my internal fight that how dare, are they're my babies, I'm the da da da. And then that kida started again that I wanted to be a mother, and what are my options?
हाँ जी.
Then I went to my dad. After all the research I did, I said again, at that point, my father's opinion really mattered a lot. Everything my dad said only mattered. I'm very different now. I say, I love you, but I'm going to do it my way. But
बहुत
then
सुंदर.
if he had said no, there is.
You wouldn't have.
I wouldn't have. I've said no to movies. I've said no to things because his approval meant everything in my life.
And you'd frozen eggs. Sorry, I'm just going to quickly
Yes,
interject.
yes. I had.
At what age had you done that?
I think actually I had done that. No, I did not do that before this conversation.
Oh, okay.
Because that route, then I didn't want to be in the media of this woman who did certain things not the natural way. She's this. I didn't want all that.
ठीक है.
I said, no, I don't want to go through. And at that point, my health is a whole another thing. Since I was 8, I've had hormonal issues. I've been going to a gynec since that young.
Did you have PCOD or PCOS?
PCOD, endometriosis, cysts in my ovary, like every kind that there is, right?
no.
That you can go through. That's a whole nother...
Painful.
Yeah, very, very. So I said, I don't want to now go through IUI, IVF, this F, that F. I said, no. If I can't do it this way, I did my hormonals in the natural way. I'm, taking injections and all of that, but I'm not going to go through thing. And then they said, you'll put on weight, you'll do this, you'll do that. I said, Utna, why do I have to kill myself to have a child?
No, because they want a certain kind of quality of eggs, so they'll want you to be on something.
Yeah.
Injections, etc. lead to that.
I said, I don't want to die to have a child. I want to live a good life.
Yeah.
But then when Ari and Vivi came, I said, okay, I'm willing to die to have a child because I can't live without this feeling being nursed. And
So
the
Pitaji
only way,
bole, okay.
So I went to my dad and said, my only option is surrogacy, like with all the tests, this, that. So I was, and then my mom was with me. She's like, no, let's go talk to him. And without even a blink, my dad's, again, as I told you, very traditional conservative. He would have been said, wow, log kya kahenge? Because he lives his life with log kya kahenge.
हाँ जी, हाँ.
He didn't even bat an eyelid. He said, whatever you can do, whatever you have to do, I'm there with you. And that was like, now I'm
Green
like,
light.
green light. Now I don't care what the world thinks. Now my daddy said yes. And that's how Nirvana happened in my life.
Congratulations. But this is also 10 years ago we're talking.
11.
11 years now. 11 years ago. So,
And after that, directly through me, my doctor, my thing, directly through me, 100 babies have been born. And then I meet random people saying, thank you for your courage. You gave me the strength to do this and have a child. And
how do you know about this 100 number?
because I was the one who connected with the doctor. More than 100, I'm saying.
Hey,
So
thank
many
you.
directors, producers, actors, so many.
And how expensive is it?
When I was doing it, it was in lakhs. Now it's in crores. And then, as always, when India can't figure out something, they just ban it. Now, all the doctors from India have moved to Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, everywhere in the East European countries. All these doctors have kept set up there, and now it costs you the same thing in like 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs in crores. The same thing was giving a woman to change her life in India. Just because they couldn't figure out laws properly, they just blatant blanket ban in India. I hate that about India.
So you all did it within sub 25 lakhs?
Yeah,
Oh no.
yes,
That's 4 times, boss.
Yes.
क्या चल रहा है? और अब ban है.
ban.
But ऐसा वाला feeling नहीं था कि my baby growing inside another womb. None of that happened.
We are progressive women, yeah, and we did all the research. I went one step ahead and requested if there can be a vaginal birth. Okay, and the doctor was like, no, then the connect become, because vaginal birth is so important for your cranium, for the mucus when it comes out. Half your allergies get taken away because of the mucus that's covered with vaginal birth.
Oh my God.
If you think you have allergies, if you think you get migraines, headaches, you're constantly in pain because you're a C-section baby. I'm also C-section.
I was just like tick, tick, tick for 3 things and that. And I'm like,
Yeah.
sorry, mother, for being like this really big human being.
Yeah.
And coming out the other way.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. So I was, her name was Grace. And
You met her?
I met her.
Hey.
I did Godbari for her. All of this,
Oh.
other people don't do it. I bought her a complete new wardrobe for her first child, for her husband. That's why I think I'm able to speak so freely, because you know so much, and it's not like, I believe you wear underwear. You're not coming at me like that.
No, but like,
But somebody with an understanding and the empathy and sensitivity. So whoever doesn't understand you, you know, but we need more men like you who
Thank
can
you.
bring that part out of us and make us feel comfortable. You know, as actors in general, journalists only, we have guards up. So forget about divulging and getting into this. Is the first time I've ever spoken about many of the things I've spoken in your
Thank
interview,
you.
and it came naturally. ये नहीं है कि, oh my God, he's asking me this. What is the most politically right answer to give?
yeah.
I'm done with that.
नो थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आप लोगों को भी हमारी बातें अच्छी लगती हैं तो प्लीज सपोर्ट अस इन एनी मैनर पॉसिबल. सब्सक्राइब तो कर ही लो, बट एज अ फीमेल प्रोड्यूसर कितनी बार आपने वेंडर्स को आपसे आके मिला के, नहीं बाजू वाले मर्द से आके मिलाते हुए बात करते हुए देखा है?
मैं कभी वेंडर से बात कर रही हूँ तो मेरे अकाउंटेंट से बात होता है, मुझसे बात नहीं करते
है ना,
हो.
है ना.
आई एम लाइक, मैं इधर हूँ, मेरा मुंह देख के बात करो. नहीं, मर्द से बात करने में बहुत इजी होता है rather than talking to a girl.
But you're the lead on the whole thing.
They don't care. Yeah, it's again, babe. You can't find them wrong. It's how they have been wired and in their unconscious and subconscious mind. So you can't. They're only operating from whatever is laid out to them, which is very little.
You never try to teach them.
How many people you will go teach?
Style.
What I'm doing right now is that.
Yeah, this
This is it. Nobody told me life can be different. Go learn.
Yeah.
I only inside me saying it can't be so strict and so stifling. There has to be more to life. So you got to learn for what you need.
Yeah.
I used to be that. I want to take a magic wand, change everybody. I want to do this to them. I want to do that to them. Now I'm like, bhaad mein jaye sab. I'll take care of myself and the people around me. And
Yeah.
I know the way I speak, I now have realized that it has, her voice is too loud. I don't mean it in a,
But you have a sharp high pitch. That's it.
yeah, so people think like, oh, she's shouting at me. Because the volume is thing. But then I'm a theatre student. I'm an actor. I've worked
बहुत
on my
इजी स्विच
voice.
करती हैं ये गले से और पेट से बात करने में. आप लोगों को रियलाइज नहीं होता है. मैं ट्रेनिंग लिया हूँ वो आप वाली जो आप लेके बैठी हो. एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग लाइक दिस पीपल गेट रियली शॉक्ड.
Yeah.
Then when you get back to your voice, this is confidential voice.
My voice is my kavacham, as how Karna used to use his. My voice is that. So I know, hey! And people will get scared. I have to use something, no? Because as I said, they're more comfortable with men than women sitting around.
Yeah, with that, the physical gesture would be that.
Yeah. That I
Yeah.
do all the time.
Yeah.
And then I had another friend come and tell me about my voice with my stuff. Whatever you're saying is right, Lakshmi. Can you say the same things with not a volume of 8, but a volume of 4? Maybe they will listen to you better. It was a shift in my brain. I was like, huh. But when I'm like, ja rahi hu, my voice automatically, I don't try to turn it on. It starts at 8, you know.
I hard relate. I really do. And I've been there also.
So these are, again, learning life, navigating how to...
But thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
क्या आने वाला है जिसके बारे में बता सकती हो?
एक बहुत बड़ा शो, आई एम एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसिंग इट. नहीं बताऊंगी क्योंकि साइन नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
Shit.
इतना के होल्ड हो रहा है, इतना के होल्ड हो रहा
वो
है.
बड़ा होता है हमारी इंडस्ट्री में यार.
हाँ यार, हाँ बोलने के बाद हाँ मैं रुको ना.
जी.
ये क्या है, हम लोग कल रात मीटिंग हुआ, वी आर चेंजिंग द ट्रेजेक्टरी ऑफ द वे वी लुक एट. डोंट डू दैट फॉर पीपल हु बीन सिटिंग विद यू फॉर 8 months. डू इट फॉर द नेक्स्ट कमिंग पीपल. ये नहीं है कि आई स्पेंट 8 months ऑफ माई लाइफ एंड यू जस्ट ड्रॉप मी लाइक अ हॉट पोटैटो. These OTT platforms, I love you.
थोड़ा समय लगता है लेकिन इन लोग को. तो ये बताओ कि अब क्या क्या काम करना चाह रही हो? What are the genres that you're looking at?
I really want to be in a K-pop drama. I want to romance a beautiful Korean man and
They're
fall
so
in
beautiful,
love.
though.
And the pain of my visa getting over and I have to go back to India, but he can't come because he has
ये
this
तो पूरी
job.
कहानी बता रही है.
हाँ तो ऐसे ही सोचना पड़ता है to put it out in the universe.
Just why not?
हाँ.
Like a Korean indie collab.
I got so happy when Squid Games had this Indian dude I was like,
Do you like call your LA agent and tell him what is the area that you need to?
I
put my
really need.
auditions
I
and
just
photos
need to
in?
Korea and meet these people.
That's
bro.
all, no?
Yeah, yeah.
But
no.
मुंबई में क्या काम करना चाह रही हो?
जो काम मिले वो करूंगी मैं.
तो do you go for auditions?
Of course.
Really?
Yeah. Most of the time I don't tell them who I am. मेरा नाम है लामा इधर. Lakshmi Manchu बोली तो people are coming out of the office and taking me inside. Then suddenly they are like this. I've been asking Mukesh, actually it's my fault, not Mukesh's, saying, Mukesh, I'll come and be the reader. When you're auditioning people, I'll read. Because I know how people are acting in today's world. I know how you want people to be, you know. He keeps saying, come karo.
Ki
मैं इतनी
negotiating
हिंदी
also,
भी
yeah.
नहीं बात कर सकती थी एक साल पहले.
ये सीखी है आपने?
जी.
क्या आपको लगता है, and because one of my friends came on the show and she said this, she said the South is obsessed with navel and like it has a big breast obsession. Does that still exist?
I don't know differently here. Just because we have bigger breasts than the actresses here in North, I feel they are also jiving and thrusting only. Just that you don't see them here. I
Yeah.
don't see any difference.
And navel obsession does exist. That have you observed?
But it exists everywhere. Tell me one movie in the Hindi from 80s to now that doesn't show the navel.
Yeah, the Bihar does have songs on it and around it.
And Hindi movies too. From your KJ to Sanjay Leela Bansali, there have been navels, no?
They have.
Then
I don't know. I think it is when I see a Janvi Kapoor in the forefront with a hero in the background and just a navel and then Thumka, maybe then that question does come in.
I disagree.
Fair enough. Generally, anything that you think should change in the way we do things over here versus there?
So much. But know that here, no, I feel like just because you're in Bombay, you have a chip on your shoulder.
We do.
So if you come to Telugu, nobody will even give you one minute of your time. Only in Bombay you have
also
all this
true.
clout. Rude. You're never going to get work. You need to lose weight. You need to do that. Like they're just very,
Blunt.
yeah,
Yeah, I don't know why.
I don't know.
They
You
say things
ask
about
me,
people's noses, yeah, very often
everybody has the same nose now.
in Dubai. बहुत बड़ा इशू है क्योंकि सबके मुंह आंख नाक एक जैसे लगने लग गए.
हाँ,
बट ये तो लांछना आप पे भी आती है. कई लोग तो आपको ही बोलते हैं कि आपने काम करवाया हुआ है.
हाँ. They tell me I look like this person, that person, this person. I said, yeah, we have the same doctor.
But you're kidding.
No.
You've gotten work done.
I do Botox on my nose.
Okay.
Because I have, if you notice, I have a little dip.
I thought you got hurt.
Yeah, I did. So there was a dip. Now if you look, when there is a dip, it doesn't look nice on screen. So I put Botox here.
Okay.
I just got a laser, Alma laser.
Yeah, I was wondering. I
skin
thought you slept
tightening.
on a case or something.
No.
I was like, well, ऐसा.
I put makeup now so you can't tell. But that'll lift you and skin collagen improve karega. It's bloody painful. But I just got it done over the weekend. What is the shame in telling you? You also get it done. Maybe you'll also look nice.
I wondered what will I get. क्या आपने वो भी experience किया था क्योंकि ये मैंने पढ़ा था कि a lot of the South Indian heroes or the actors don't want their women in the family like sisters and daughters working in films. And I think you got this also growing up a little. How did you tackle that?
I'm still tackling. Tell me how many people you know are sisters and daughters who are in the industry. Not actress's daughter, actor's daughter.
Yeah, that's what I'm stuck. I don't even know what the daughter. Mahesh Babu's daughter is doing some amount of.
How old is she?
She's really young.
11, 12.
11, 12.
That
Or she looks a little
If
older.
Namrata Shrodkar and Mahesh Babu don't bring their daughter out, I'll beat both of them.
Such cuties.
I know. And then for who, Namrata is, and a very progressive woman, and she's Marathi, matriarchal, so they know how to bring the women out. And I'm so happy that she is, because I know she's giving a lot of other kids the freedom to choose their path and do what they want to do.
That's true.
Okay, Sitara now. Give me
Done.
more.
No, I can't think of. I was really trying hard and I did get to one name. I was like, chalo, kuch to baki hai
I'll give
apna.
you one more name.
Batao.
Shruti Hassan.
Shruti, yes.
That also she and I did her introduction into industry and mine is the same time. In
Really?
Her first Telugu movie and mine were in the same film.
But एक साल बाद ये लोग देखेंगे हम एक और मेल फेमिनिस्ट करेंगे जब आपके पूरे वजह ये है कि explorations के बारे में बात करनी है because we didn't know this. There was no research about you having suffered from 8 years old.
Yeah.
So there's a whole side. We haven't spoken about your work extensively. There's a lot of Telugu work that you've done that we
Yes.
need to talk about. Hindi work and the latest that has dropped. All of that is to be done.
Yeah.
तो वो एक 1000 comment आप कर दो लक्ष्मी गारू को फिर से लाओ इतना लिखना है आपको and we'll go ahead and come back.
Yeah.
कुछ हमारे
I
standards
feel my work gets spoken about
Enough.
and I feel when we have something that's coming out, we will call you and make sure everything everywhere is. My only request is please watch Daksha on Amazon Prime. It's trending India #6. It's a movie that I produced and I
Acted in.
acted with my dad for the first time. So show me your love.
Yes, perfect. कुछ standard सवाल हमारे. If there was a way to portal you back to when you're 16, that's your camera. What would you like to say to your 16-year-old self?
Loving yourself is the greatest gift. Don't ever forget to do that.
Were you tough on yourself?
Yeah, because I only wanted outside validation.
All of us.
Yeah, now I don't care what you think of me. I love me.
Up top. And I would love to keep talking to you, but my time's up and I'm going to tell you, अगर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा और आप लोगों को चाहिए ये फिर से आए तो 1000 बार आपको पता है क्या कमेंट करना है, पीछे जाके देख लेना. अगर हॉटफ्लाई को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज कर लो. And this is me, Siddharth Alamban, signing off on The Male Feminist. Are you a hugger?
I am a big hugger.
Hey, thank you so much for being on the show.